How to delete TikTok cache and downloads and free up space. Deleting the cache can also be useful to fix some TikTok bugs, so let's get into it. You'll want to start out by going to your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy, or just look for the gear icon. Scroll all the way down till you get to this cache and cellular option towards the bottom of this page. Then, tap on Free Up Space. Now here you'll be able to see exactly how much data TikTok's taking. You can see a breakdown through cache, which mines 101 megabytes, and downloads, which mine is 252 megabytes. And to clear these, just tap on the clear button. On the little confirmation that pops up, tap on clear again. And you can see my cache has been deleted. To do the same for downloads, I'll just tap on the clear button next to downloads. Now this shouldn't affect your usage of TikTok in any way because TikTok will automatically re-download the stuff it needs to actually function properly. So that's really all there is to it.